Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your server in CookieRun Kingdom the easy way. First, open the game and tap the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. From there, go to Settings. Next, scroll down and select Info, then tap the Log Out button. Confirm by tapping Log Out again. This will log you out of your current account. After logging out, restart the game. Keep in mind you cannot switch servers with an existing account. You'll need to create a new account. Now, create your new account. Once you're on the Account Setup screen, you'll see a list of available servers. You can choose any server you want, like Pure Vanilla, Pober, or Dark Cocoa. After selecting your desired server, tap the Play button, then confirm by tapping Play again. Your new account will now be on the server you selected. And that's it. Your server in CookieRun Kingdom has been successfully changed. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.